Hey beauties! Welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Today we continue to work with our difficult dress that we will make in the simplest way. So, unusual dress part 2. Today we will cut. I will show you how to work with knitwear so that all seams are perfectly straight and precise. So there is no waistline here. For those who doubt themselves, you can put a mark here, here and here. Look how I do it. These points that we must coincide. These 2 points will coincide with the point of the back. At the end of the video you will see the dress fitting. I'm sure it will turn out to be very original. In type of dress like this you can go to work or even to a social event. Before starting you should look at the pattern really carefully, especially pattern of the front of the dress. Now I will cut. Since I have jersey I add 7 millimeters. 7 millimeters everywhere. I don't want big seams. Please watch carefully how I do everything. The dress need two fabric lengths. Now I will show you the cutting of the back, and the cutting of the bottom bands differ from each other. And then I will continue to cut off in the same way as I did 2 minutes ago. My dress is swept down the center of the back. Now I will lay the part face up and I put the front part. Watch carefully and repeat after me. The corners must match. Here are 2 points. I chop them off. Here is the shoulder that passes into a sleeve. I swept from point to sleeve. Now I will sweep in the other direction. Thanks to these points, the whole process is much more convenient and fast. Our dress looks like this. Here's a nice sleeve. And here's a decorative detail that will be tied here. Behind the camera, I will sweep the other side. I will sweep the stripes here. This is the final result for today. The dress is not finished yet, but for today we're done. I'll tie it now. Consider carefully. Also pay attention to the sleeve. I'm happy with how the dress looks for now. There are two different ways to tie a dress. Take a look. It looks beautiful like this too. This is a wrap for today. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Also, don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!